Officials in Iowa are saying a woman who was presumed dead discovered gasping for air inside of a body bag. A hospice center in Urbandale, Iowa, is accused of mistakenly presuming a 66-year-old patient was dead when she was not. NBC News reported this on Thursday. Once a nurse at the Glen Alzheimer's Special Care Center determined the woman had passed away, the resident was taken to a funeral home, officials with the Iowa Department of Inspections and Appeals announced this week. In its report, the department said it fined the center $10,000 regarding the incident. Quote, the resident was admitted into hospice care on December 28, 2022, due to senile degradation of the brain. Comfort measures, including lorazepam and morphine, were initiated at that time, the department's report noted. The morning of January 3rd, a nurse checked on the woman but apparently found no signs of life. The department said the time of death was 6 a.m. Then staff members called the woman's daughter. Quote, orders obtained from physician to release body to funeral home, the report continued. When the funeral director, who was also reported no signs of life, arrived almost 2 hours later, the director tucked the woman's body inside a cloth bag, zipped it closed, and left with the woman. Quote, at approximately 8:26 a.m., the funeral home staff unzipped the bag and observed resident number one's chest moving as she gasped for air. The funeral home then called 911 and hospice, the department's report said. Emergency crews eventually arrived and recorded her pulse. However, she showed no eye movement, did not make any noises, or any movements. A few days later, the woman died at the hospice facility with her family members nearby. The department said, quote, based on interview and record review, the license failed to provide adequate direction to ensure appropriate cares and services were provided based on the needs of one residents reviewed at the end of life.